Apple has just rolled out the 4th developer beta for iOS 26, bringing along several noticeable tweaks and visual enhancements. In this update, many are comparing it side by side with Beta 3, and one of the most talked about changes is the return of the original liquid glass design in various parts of the system. This subtle yet elegant effect adds more depth and transparency to various UI elements, giving the operating system a more polished look once again. But iOS isn't the only platform getting updates. Apple has also released the 4th beta version for iPadOS, macOS, watchOS, homeOS, tvOS, and visionOS, all getting refined side by side. These cross-platform updates suggest Apple is gearing up for broader improvements across its entire ecosystem. For those not enrolled in the developer program, there's good news. The first public beta is expected to drop tomorrow. If you're waiting to try these features without a developer account, you won't have to wait long. Diving into the new features in iOS 26 Beta 4, one of the biggest returns is the notification summaries, especially for news and entertainment categories. Previously, Apple had marked this feature as temporarily unavailable. Now, there's a new disclaimer stating that summaries might alter the original intent of a post, encouraging users to verify the information before reacting. The camera app also gets a fresh touch. Upon launching it, users now see 2 new splash screens. One briefly walks through the updated camera interface, while the other introduces the photographic styles option, letting users pick their preferred photo look before taking a shot. On the lock screen, there's a small but useful improvement. The wallpaper now dims when multiple notifications appear, making the text easier to read. However, the notification bubbles themselves haven't received any major contrast or liquid glass upgrades. As for the control center, changes are minimal. It still uses the frosted glass style we've seen in earlier betas. While some users have noted slight contrast differences, there's no significant redesign just yet. Where the liquid glass effect truly shines is in the system apps. The Music app, which previously used a tinted frosted glass in Beta 3, now uses true liquid glass in Beta 4, creating a more immersive feel when scrolling, whether you're in light mode or dark mode. The Weather app sees a similar transformation, now offering more transparency and fluidity. Another returning feature is dynamic wallpapers. These were missing in the previous beta, but are back now with styles like dusk, halo, sky, and shadow. They shift based on the time of day, giving your lock and home screens a sense of movement and realism. The creator behind this update walkthrough promises to keep digging for hidden changes and improvements in Beta 4 and is looking for feedback, especially on whether people prefer the liquid glass aesthetic over the traditional frosted glass. So if you're part of this growing community, stay tuned. More visual tweaks, usability upgrades, and coverage are right around the corner. See you in the next one.